Sanibona, nginibingelele nje namhlanje. Kuhlezi kuyintokozo ukuthi sihlangane ngezindaba ezimnandi, izindaba zasekhaya ezulwini, izindaba ezizokuphulukisa, zisize umphefumulo wakho, nanoma ikephi la ubambeke khona, nanoma ikephi la uthumbeke khona, nanoma ikephi la uhleli khona. Ungaze waphelelwa isikhathi emzimbeni usathumbekile lapho ukhona, ngokuba kubuhlungu futhi kuyesabeka okungenzeka kuwe uma ungatholakala busy praising other gods, busy praising other things except umdali wezulu nomhlaba. Ngiyamthanda yazi ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini, indlela ngaso sonke isikhathi azama ngayo ukuthi afinyelele kithi, afinyelele ezingqondweni zethu and afinyelele nakwi-understanding yethu ngokusebenzisa daily life examples, nokusebenzisa izinto esizibonayo, izinto esiphila ngaphansi kwazo, esiphila ngazo, esiphila ngenxa yazo, esiphila in a form of believing that way. Because many people bayake bangayithandi information umuntu mayingezi ngendlela yakhe. Umuntu engalithandi ulwazi malungezi ngendlela abhiliva ngayo, noma ngendlela aqonda ngayo, noma ngendlela azi ngayo yena. So uNkulunkulu zama ukufinyelela nakubona bonke abanezingqondo ezinjalo, athi umuntu ayi mina ngazi kanje, lokho angikwazi kanje. So God is just trying to make examples azokuhlala exactly ekhanda lakho, bathi aqanda ikhanda. Uzowenza isibonelo ngento ozoyazi, ozoyiqonda, so that you can see ukuthi lento akhuluma ngayo ifana nento ekanjena, ifana nesituation ekanjena, ifana nomntwana odla ipharishi, ifana nomntwana osancela ubisi, ifana nomntwana osekhula. You know, ama-examples azokwenza wena u-understande lokhu uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba afuna ukuthi ukuqonde. And uNkulunkulu uhlezi etshela kakhulu amazwi akhe ukuthi adlulisele kubantwana bakhe ukuthi how about you make this example, how about you make that one, how about you use this way, because the Lord understand you, the Lord understand where you are, the Lord understand ukuthi udingani ngasiphi isikhathi, the Lord understand ukuthi ingqondo yakho ihamba ifike kuyiphi level, uhamba ucabange ufinyelele kuphi la uvimbezeleka khona. uNkulunkulu ufuna uqhamuka aze arithi kuyona leyo level la ubambeleke khona ukuthi hayi mina ngihamba ngicabange ngize ngifike la, anginyuki. So the Lord wants to reach you wherever you are, ngoba ufuna wonke umuntu afinyelele embusweni wezulu, whether ungumntwana, whether you're a toddler, whether uyingane 8 to 10 years, whether you are a teenager, whether you are a young adult, whether you are aunt and uncle, whether umkhulu, ugogo, ungumama, ungubaba, ungubani. uNkulunkulu ufuna ukufinyelela kuwena and reach out to you, because your soul is so precious to the Lord. Umphefumulo wakho uyigugu kakhulu, hence that is why umphefumulo wakho uhlezi usetshenziswa, uhlezi kufunakala wona, ngoba uyigugu kakhulu kuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu is calling you. Let the Lord reach you. So before nje singene esihlokweni sethu, I would like us to understand how much God tries to reach each and every person. So iqala nje qaleni lapha ensimini yase-Edeni, ngenkathi abazali bethu uAdam noEva besahlala lapha bedalwa uNkulunkulu, bengakoni, singakangeni isono, kungakenzeki lutho. Remember what's happened ukuthi babethola yonke into abayifunayo. Number 1, babehlala naye uNkulunkulu, bembona, uNkulunkulu bekwazi ukukhuluma naye, yonke into yabo nje yayimnandi, comfort space, comfort zone, bethola yonke into abayidingayo nabayifunayo. Mind you, lapha ensimini yase-Edeni there were fruits, kwakunezihlahla ezithelayo ebebedla kuzo, bengathengi, bengadingi lutho. Kwakukhona yonke into abayidingayo, nanka amanzi, kwakukhona konke. They didn't even need the sun, because ispirit sikaNkulunkulu noma inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu yayibakhanyisela. They didn't need ubumnyama because babehlezi besekukhanyeni ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuze bezohlezi bejabulile. We all know ukuthi a person gets happier if there is light, because in the light that is when you can see everything. In the light that is when you can do everything. In the light that is when you can maneuver. And we all like to always maneuver at all times. We all like to always do izinto esithanda ukuzenza ngaso sonke isikhathi. And at night we cannot do such. But abanye baze bakwenze ngenkani, that is why they're always at risk ngezimpilo zabo. But I am not there. But what I'm trying to say ukuthi besensimini yase-Edeni babekhanyiselwe inkazimulo yaNkulunkulu, benako konke ukudla bakudingayo, bengadingi ukuthi bakuthenge, bengadingi ukuthi bakusebenzele, bengadingi ukuthi bakukhandlekele, bengadingi ukuthi bagqilazeke kuqala. So bebesensimini yase-Edeni yonke into yabo yayimnandi, yonke into yabo yayihamba kahle, konke nje kwakunenjabulo futhi kwakunokuthula. And there came isitha sazimbathisa leya nyama ye-serpent, safika ke kumzali wethu Eva sathi, ushilo yini uNkulunkulu ukuthi ningasidli lesa sithelo esiphakathi nendawo? Mind you, remember lesa sithelo esiphakathi nendawo kwakwezithelo ezimbili, esinye esokwazi okuhle nokubi, esokuhlakanipha, esinye kwaku esophila. Lesi sokwazi okuhle nokubi kahle kahle sasidalelwe ukuthi noma usumdala usukhulile ingqondo yakhe isikhathala, ungasafuna ukulalela, ungasafuna ukuzwa, because abantu abadala bakanjalo abafuna ukuzwa, abafuna ukwenza lutho, ingqondo yabo is so tired. uNkulunkulu efuna ukuthi udle sona and then ingqondo yakho iphinde ifunction njengomuntu ona 18 again. But sonke siyazi ukuthi into mawuzoyenza kungakashaya isikhathi sayo, mawuzodla amaphilisi njengamanje ngithi ngizofaka amaphilisi ekhanda lingangiphethe ikhanda, ngifake leyo grandpa or whatever Disprin or whatsoever, obviously I'm going to damage my brain cells. Obviously I'm going to damage my brain. I'm going to damage water. I'm going to damage sodium esekhanda lami by eating what is not rightful for me to have at this time, because anginayo into edinga leya medicine njengamanje. I do not need it. Ikanjalo ke indaba. So kwenzakalani ke kubazali bethu Adam no Eva? Basidla lesa sithelo kungakafanele. Mase bezidlile lesa sithelo, that is when the curse came. Saqhamuka ke isiqalekiso. Because ukuqhamuka kwesiqalekiso nokwenza ukweqa nje umthetho, wherever there is law, when you go against the law, that is when you do sin. And the more you do sin, that is when you are dirty. And the more you are dirty, that is when the Lord cannot look at you. Because other pastors, other prophets, they even say ukuthi ngale nkathi wenza isono ufana nomuntu onqunu. Imagine, picture a person that is naked. Kulula yini ukuthi uvele umbheke nje sinoma kanjani? No, umbheki kodwa ubheka phansi ngoba usaba ukuthi ubuke ubuze bakhe. Awuthanda ukuthi umbuke eze enqunu. So ikanjalo ke indaba, ngale nkathi wenza isono, you are definitely taking out your clothes. You are definitely making yourself naked in front of the Lord, and the Lord cannot see you. The Lord cannot bear to look at you because you are naked. You are dirty of sin. Because izenzo zokulunga zikukwembatha ilinene elicolekileyo angithi. So if ungenza izenzo zokulunga, shuthi awumbethe lutho, awembethe wena. Alright, let's carry on. So kwenzeke kanjalo abazali bethu bone, and saqala lapha esiqalekiso, and uNkulunkulu made just one covenant with them ukuthi ngiyanithatha ke njengamanje nginisa lapha ya emhlabeni. I'm just giving you a punishment of 5.5 days, and unfortunately 5.5 days, it is 5,500 years if you convert it to this earth compared to ezulwini. So uma ebanikeza this punishment ukuthi nginithatha for this period of time, I just want you to show to me, I just want you to prove it to me ukuthi you still deserve to come back to my kingdom, to come back to my state, to come back to where I am, to come back to me and obeying to me, your Father. I want you to stay there lapho emhlabeni, ekuhlaleni kwenu niqhubeke niobeye, niqhubeke nilalele, because ngidinga ukuthi ningitshengise ukuthi nisangakwazi ukuhlala ebukhoneni bami, nisangakwazi ukuhlala eduzane nami, because mina ngifuna ingane elalelayo, ngifuna ingane ethobekileyo, ngifuna ingane eziwayo eyenza into engishoyo nelalelayo. If umntwana wakho engalaleli uthi thula umsindo, ungabangi umsindo, awubange ngenkani, uzomthatha umise lapha kwi-time out, uthi awuhlalela kancane, noma uthatha umvalele ekamereni, noma uthatha umphanishe somewhere, umphanishela ukuthi enze njani, umphanishela ukuthi approve, atshengise ukuthi usangenza lokhu okushoyo, enze kangcono kunalokhu akwenzile okurongi, angabe esashelela, angabe esawenza urongi. And by putting that child kuleyo time out noma umvale lapha ekamereni, uzodinga ukuthi akutshengise ngokuthi athule athemile, athule, abambe kanje. That is what they do ngey'ngane ema-creche, ukuthi bamba kanje. Mase ibona ukuthi uthisha ingane isithule-ke, isibambe kanje, noma singawususa umunwe iyathula ingasho lutho, uyakayidedele kathi buya-ke woza-ke, buya-ke uze endlini, buya-ke ngiyakuvulela-ke manje ekamereni because usudiscipline, usuyayazi into ekumele uyenze nento engamele uyenze. Even when it comes to probably umuntu oyisela, mehambe ethathwa eboshwe avalelwe ejele, nakhona it's just a period of time la sokumele approve khona ukuthi usangenza kangcono yini emhlabeni. Mefika lapha ejele and they continue to do the same thing, afike abe isidlova, abe endlavini, ahluphe iziboshwa, aqhubeke enze izinto ezingekho right, ezi-worse, obviously uzoqhubeka ahlale lapha ejele, uzoyiseva yonke isentence yakhe. But if efika lapha eziphatha kahle, efika lapha enza kangcono, efika lapha eguqula izenzo zakhe zobubi and prove it to the wardens and prove it to the courts ukuthi no man, ngiyazisola ngalento bengiyenza lapha emphakathini, ngiyazisola ngokutshontshela abantu, and write books and study la ejele, atshengise ukushintsha personally, atshengise ukushintsha attitudely, atshengise ukushintsha ngazo zonke izindlela kumele ukuthi atshengise ngazo. Then the wardens, they will come together with abameli, they will come together with ijudge, babone ukuthi no man, he's doing his best. Nangu uyaseva lapha, wenza yonke into atshelwa yona. Makuthiwa kaklina ama-toilet uyawaklina, makuthiwa kenza 1 or 2 or 3 uyakwenza exactly nangendlela ayalezwa ngayo. So ake simnikeze iparole, ake simnikeze aphumele abuyele ekhaya, ngoba uyakudeserve ukubuyela laphaya. Usengakwazi, usaqualifya ukuthi ahlale nomphakathi, usakudeserve ukuthi ahlale nomphakathi, angeke asayenza lento akade eyenzile. So khishwa kwabazali bethu Adam no-Eva, bekhishwa ensimini yase-Eden, uNkulunkulu wayebabeka la emhlabeni for just a period of time to prove it to the Lord ukuthi they can still listen to the Father, they can still do better to uNkulunkulu. But unfortunately it didn't happen ngendlela uNkulunkulu ayefisa ngayo, it didn't happen ngendlela uNkulunkulu ayebaphanishela ukuthi kwenzeke ngayo, kodwa kwaba worse and worse and worse kunaqala. So now masebela emhlabeni, you must remember ukuthi masesemhlabeni abasamboni every day uNkulunkulu, abasahlali naye, but wayesefika ngaleso sikhathi qwa. And the more benza izono, kwakuhamba bangamboni, kuhambe bangamuzwa, hambe bangabe sa-connecta noNkulunkulu. And generation by generation, oKhayini, oAbela, bonke oNoah, imzalo kaSeth, konke, Abraham, kuyale up until Israel, uNkulunkulu besefika ngezwi kuphela. Remember, efika ngezwi kuMose, efika ngezwi Abraham, efika ngezwi kubona bonke. uNkulunkulu besengasafiki uqobo wakhe. Why? Because of ukona. Nangalenkathi ezizofika entabeni yaseSinayi, wacela ukuthi abantu bazihlambulule for at least 3 days, khona ezofike abonakala uNkulunkulu lapha ya entabeni. Ngoba abantu babecelile bathi sicela ukumbona lo uNkulunkulu wethu, sicela ukumbona lo uNkulunkulu ositshela ngayo wena Mose, njalo sitshela ngalo uNkulunkulu, asikaze simbone, sacela ukuthi simbone. Wathi uNkulunkulu kulungile, ngizoziveza, ngizofika lapha emhlabeni, abantu abazihlambulule for 3 days, bengalali nonkosikazi wabo, abanye abangama period bazihlambulule, bangenza izinto eziningi kabi, bangadli izinkulube, bangenzi lutho engcolile ezoqunula uNkulunkulu. So abazihlambulule, they must be pure for 3 days. Ngizobe sengiqhamuka ngiza lapha emhlabeni. So uNkulunkulu requires a certain amount of holiness, a certain amount yobungcwele, so that ezokwazi ukuthi adwele kuwena ngezenzo ezinhle, ngezenzo ezifanelekile. So now ngokuhamba kwesikhathi abantu bona kakhulu, uNkulunkulu wahamba wangabonakala. sahamba sangaba seduze kwakhe, hambe sangamuzwa. Njengamanje uNkulunkulu akasakhulumi exactly ngendlela uNkulunkulu ekumele simuzwe ngayo, because umzali wakho uma uhlala naye ekhaya uyamuzwa ukhuluma nje kahle ezindlebeni zakho, umuzwa loud and clear. But if akuthiwa uyona awusahlala ekhaya kini usuhlala anywhere else, ngeke usambona umzali wakho njalo, ngeke usacommunicate naye njalo, and you are at risk of anything that can happen to you. Let's say ukhethe ukubhema wena iwonga, mase uhlala le edrobheni umzali wakhe ehlala le emakhaya, angeke uzumbone njalo, angeke uzucommunicate naye, angeke aze akwazi futhi ukuthi akuvikele kunanoma yini engase ikusingathe wena noma engase yenze something kuwena. So ngaso sonke isikhathi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kwencipha ukufinyelela kwaNkulunkulu kithi. Kodwa uyise kunjalo umdalo wezulu nomhlaba ubelibele zamandlela thizeni ukuthi afinyelele kubantu. So masefika lapha kuMose usefika manje ngendlela yokuthi yazi ukuze abantu bangithole, ukuze abantu babuyele ebukhoneni bami, let them do my rules. Because nabo abantu bayaphila manje, nangu Israel usugcwele lapha emhlabeni, let them do my rules, imithetho yami, so that ngayo bebeyenza bezongcweliswa, bezokwazi ukuthi babe sebukhoneni bami, ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe seduzane nabo. Wafika uNkulunkulu wazibhalela yena imiyalelo yakhe ezibhebheni zamatshe. Leyo myalo leyo esihlalisa ngokuthula thina abantu, leyo myalo leyo esenza sijabule, because imiyalo kaNkulunkulu ithi ungebe ungabulala, ungaphinga, ungafakaza amanga. Uyazi ukuthi mawebe uwena ejele, uyazi ukuthi mawutshotshela umakhelwane wakho udala ingxabano, angeke aphinde akuthembe, udala ukuxokozela ngaso sonke isikhathi. But if singantshotshelani, singabantu, singabulalani, sihleli ngani ngokuthula, that's it. That's what the Lord wants for us. That's what the Lord has set for the people abathanda ukuthi bahlalisane ngokuthula. But people, because they lack to do exactly uNkulunkulu akushoyo, kunalokho baya ngokuya baba worse, baya ngokuya baba bacunula worse uNkulunkulu, bona kakhulu kunaqala. So now nayo ke indaba isekuthenini, the more abantu bona, the more uNkulunkulu engakwazi ukufika, but the more uNkulunkulu ezama ukufika ngendlela banga understanda ngayo. So la emhlabeni asisakwazi ukucommunicate noNkulunkulu, but in as much as singakwazi ukucommunicate naye, sisangakwazi ukufunda ngaye. Because njengamanje, even though imithetho yaNkulunkulu ingasabhalwanga ezibhebheni zamatshe, iseyibhale la ekujuleni kwezinhliziyo zethu, ukuze mayifika imithetho yakhe, because abantu bayazi imithetho yaNkulunkulu, they definitely know. You would tell by people abahlalayo nje ema-content ukuthi they don't even go to church, they don't even care about going to church, they do not even care ngokuthi uNkulunkulu unjani, uyabuya nani. But uzozwa ngabo bethi hayibo lo mfundisi wamanga lo simbonile kade efeba nani epakile imoto lapha egroundini enza u1 no2 no3. How do they know that if they do not know the Lord? Why? Because imithetho kaNkulunkulu is written here in their deep within hearts. So imithetho yaNkulunkulu ibhalwela ezinhliziyweni zabantu, kodwa futhi ngoba izinhliziyo zabantu azimfuni uNkulunkulu, izinhliziyo zabantu azimthanda uNkulunkulu ngazo zonke, that is when imithetho kaNkulunkulu at the end of the day igcina ingasa apply kubantu bese iyasuka. Kahle yazi akusona ihloko sitha namhlanje, but ngifisa ukuthi asilalele umoya uNkulunkulu sihola sihambe ngale ndlela. Ngisafisa ukuthi si-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzama kangakanani ukuthi afinyelele kithi, uzama kangakanani ukuthi afinyelele kuwe, uzama to what extent. Abona uNkulunkulu ukuthi okay, njengabanje abantu bayafunda phansi, they can go to school, they can study, they can read something down, and when you read something you are gaining something, gaining it to grow. So abona uNkulunkulu ukuthi alright, ngoba abantu bafunda angibhale ematsheni. Wabona ukuthi amatshe they're so retarded, abantu bafunda sekunama scrolls manje, wayibhala imithetho yakhe kuma scrolls, you know those rolling things, yes. Babhala khona imithetho yakhe. Kwahamba itechnology, kwahamba kwathuthuka, kwahamba kwaba khona izincwadi abantu bekwazi ukubhala ke manje ngale khona there was this ngizothi uphaphu abawebhala ngalo kudala, because le nto le it was like a pen uphaphu and then kugcojoze ku-inki ebese kuyabhala, kugcojoze u-inki kubhala, kugcojoze u-inki kubhala. So uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi oh abantu they can write, okay, kubhalwe iBhayibheli. Kwahamba abelungu bathuthuka, there was more technology, abelungu they started writing a Bible. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uzama ukufinyelela ngayo yonke indlela la wena ungakwazi ukuthi u-reach out kuyo, la ungakwazi ukuthi uyithole wena ngokuhamba kwesikhathi, ngokwehla kwabantu, ngokwehla kwezinga lokuthi sikwazi ukuzwa directly from the Lord. You need to start la ukhona, start afresh. If you can read your Bible, read it. So now kuhambe isikhathi abona uNkulunkulu ukuthi okay, abantu they are reading Bibles but not enough, because ibilibele inyuka i-technology, ilibele yanda i-technology. Abanye bafunda iBhayibheli abona uNkulunkulu ukuthi okay, there are different languages. Okay, amaBhayibheli are translated to many languages. There's King James, there's NIV, there's isiZulu, Xhosa, Pedi, wonke ama-language, French. I count all of them, all over the world. IBhayibheli is translated kuwo wonke ama-language. So ayikho indlela noma engathi umuntu angekaze amthole ngayo uNkulunkulu athi hayi belibhalwe ngolunye ulimi, alibhalanga ngolimi lami, mina bengumZulu, likhona lesiZulu iBhayibheli elingcwele. Athi mina bengumXhosa, likhona. Bathi yini izibhalo ezingcwele. So asihambeni ke si-understande nekuthenini ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzama how deep ukuthi afinyelele kithi. Uzama kangakanani ukuthi asenze siqonde ukuthi ufuna ukuthi simazi. Wabona uNkulunkulu ukuthi okay, ngokuhamba kwe-technology abantu they are not reading the Bible. Kuhamba i-technology ya enhancer. Abantu sebethanda kwaba khona ama-TV. Kwa create ama-TV, uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi okay, so people are spending more time on television. Ngiya straight khona. Njengamanje ama-DSTV abantu banama-flat screen emakhaya, banama-plasma emakhaya of 55 inches, 80 inches, 32 inches, banama-inches all the time. So uNkulunkulu abona ukuthi alright, abantu futhi nama-DSTV, ama-channel oDumisa, oDaystar, oFaith, wonke lama-channel lawa uNkulunkulu usazama ukuziveza ufinyelela kubantu ngendlela aba-understanda ngayo ezindaweni la behlala khona kuzo kakhulu. Wabona uNkulunkulu futhi ukuthi no, mina abantu abanginothisi ku-TV kodwa babhizi namanye ama-channels. Benzani abantu kakhulu, bahlalaphi abantu kakhulu? God see, okay, bahlala emafonini, bahlala kuWhatsApp. KuWhatsApp there are people who post daily verses. Abantu bahlala Facebook, there are videos, there are verses, kunentshumayelo, there's everything. Abanye bashayo live kuningi. Abona uNkulunkulu ukuthi abantu they're spending time on TikTok. Ku-TikTok there are definitely videos. Zonke izindawo, zonke izinkundla zokuxhumana. Abona uNkulunkulu where they're spending more. YouTube, wow, okay, perfect. Definitely go there, my child. Go and reach out to them. Kuwona uYouTube la behlala khona. So uNkulunkulu is trying by all means to come to you. So if still you do not understand the Lord, nakuwona uYouTube unga-understand uNkulunkulu kuYouTube, uzibukela ama-video akho, uzibukela ophone, uzibukele zonke lezi zinto. uNkulunkulu zama indlela ukuthi afinyelele ngayo kuwena. If umuntu ohlala ekhaya ongaZulu ongahambi, uNkulunkulu will send a messenger as well ukuthi suka manje uhambe kulela khaya uyovangela, uyoshumayela. That person needs me, that soul needs me. Ufike usho u1 no2 no3 and that person won't listen. But abantu bafuna ukuthatha izinto ngendlela yabo, bafuna ukuthatha izinto nge-understanding yabo, ngendlela abaqonda ngayo, and uNkulunkulu is trying to reach out to them as he can by using examples, because abantu abafuna uku-understand uNkulunkulu, abafuna uku-understand. So uNkulunkulu is using the same examples ukuthi yabona njengowazi ubaba wakho ukuthi uyahlonishwa, ukuthi uyaphekelwa, ukuthi wenzela yonke into, uyalalelwa, wenzela konke lokho ocabangayo ngobaba wakho. Njengobaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini, he requires the same thing. Nobaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini requires the same respect. Nobaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini requires the same amount of surrendering to him, so that uzombona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ongumondli kangakanani, uzombona ukuthi uNkulunkulu responsible kangakanani, uzobubona ububaba kuyena. So uNkulunkulu is trying to get as low as possible as he can to reach out to the most childish people abakhona la emhlabeni, the most people abangafuni ukufunda iBhayibheli, the most people abangafuni ukulalela izintshumayelo through phones, through whatever, the most people who do not want to listen to God through vision, through dreams. He is trying to reach out to you ngendlela oqonda ngayo wena, ngendlela owazi ngayo, nangendlela ozo-understanda ngayo, khona uzomthola, khona uzowazana naye, khona uzophulukiswa. I'm telling you today, inhloso ukuthi kusindiswe umphefumulo wakho. So the Lord is getting as low as possible as he can. He's trying to reach out to you, because you are like a child ephonse emgodini, and lo mgodi ophonse kuwona uNkulunkulu uphosela intambo, abona ukuthi oh uphansi kakhulu aphinda ayijulise, uphansi kakhulu aphinda ayijulise, uphansi kakhulu aphinda ayijulise. It's about time you grab leyo ntambo khona uNkulunkulu ezokudonsa kulo mgodi ophonswe kuwona. Because vele uzalelwe kuwona lowo mgodi loyo, that long hole okuyona uNkulunkulu is trying to phonsa intambo. It is your responsibility to grab leyo ntambo leyo and reach out to the Lord so that uNkulunkulu can pull you out of that darkness, so that uNkulunkulu can pull you out of that sin, ukuze ngelinye ilanga kungafiki isitha safaka inhlabathi, ngoba ngeke uzuphinde waphuma lapho, ngoba mesafaka inhlabathi ila sobe sesikubulele khona. John 10:10 ukuthi isitha asizi ngokweba nokubulala nokubhubhisa. Uthi uNkulunkulu isitha siza ngokweba nokubulala nangokubhubhisa. Uthi uNkulunkulu mina ngize nokuthi babe nokuphila okuphakade bachume, but isitha sizokuntshontsha. Uthi kulapho kuloyo mgodi senze ukuthi kube nabantu around abazokubamba, abazokuchithisa isikhathi. Ungayiboni le ntambo ifinyelela kuwena, ungayiboni le ntambo iphonselwa wena. Sichithisa isikhathi ebese mase sichithekile isikhathi sithi okay use right ke manje, let us do what? Asifakeni inhlabathi madimoni la kulo mgodi, sifake inhlabathi and then uzophelela lapho, and there will never be an opportunity for you to be pulled out away from that, because mase ufake inhlabathi you gonna be squeezed like this. So this is you are squeezed ngenhlabathi ize ikumboze inhlabathi. Intambo mayifika la uzoyibamba kanjani? It will never happen. That is why uMshumayeli ethi konke isandla sakho esifumanayo ukwenza kwenze manje, ngokuba ngale kwethuna akumcabanga akukhona umsebenzi la uyakhona. So it's about time to understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu is trying to reach out to you ngendlela zonke, ngendlela unga-understanda ngayo. So these examples indlela uNkulunkulu angithuma ngayo uzama ukuthi abantu baqonde ukuthi uNkulunkulu is just the same as your father. Lo la emhlabeni lo maziyo, ubaba wamakhelwane ohlonishwayo, othotshelwayo, ongenziwa noma yini phambi kwakhe. God is just like that. God is exactly like that. Because God has got the very same feelings as you have. God feels njengawo. God get disappointed njengawo. uNkulunkulu uyacunuka njengawo. So isihloko sithi namhlanje, I'm so sorry, sithi the demon is like a child. uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi sicaciseleke ukuthi laba demon abosabantu kangaka, because abantu abawa-understand amademoni, abantu abawaqonda amademoni. They just think ukuthi idemoni uzolibona lapha enkonzweni, lapha umfundisi esekhuleka ethi fire bese umuntu yadlibizela anqazele ebese lalela. Idemoni comes like a child. Picture, I want you to picture a character of a spoiled brat. I want you to imagine a spoiled brat. Leyangane leyana enikeza yonke into ekhaya kubo. Leyangane spoilwayo. Leyangane engancishwa lutho. Leyangane vele ethi ma abeseyinikeza le nto ifunayo. So I want to share this story with you, Mrs. Yakubeka. There was this time when the Lord brought this message, He immediately took my mind back to the scenario la kwenzeka khona what I'm about to share to you njengamanje. So there was this time the Lord wangivusa kakhulu ebusuku. Let me remember exactly what happened. I think it was after a prayer nje at 12 ebusuku siqeda ukukhuleka, and we were at church ngaleso sikhathi we were camping. And must camp, I was sleeping with kids, izingane. I think there were 5 of them on my side, and mina ngangiphapheme. So after 12, ngingalali, and I was busy on YouTube, studying, watching videos, learning izinto eziningi. So now ngibusy ngiyafunda, and ngifunde kuze kushaye u4 ekseni, and then we went back to do prayer ka4, and then when we came back immediately I doze off because ngangalalanga ebusuku, ngalala ngokukhathala nakhona nje kufika ubuthongo obuzumayo. And I had a very bad dream when I was dreaming about spirits and demons, when the Lord was telling me ukuthi nalapha emkhumbeni oNoah khona amademoni asurvivor ahlala acasha lapha emkhumbini, yikho ekhona esabusa nanamhlanje angakwazi ukuthi abhubhe nanani. But there was something else that happened on that let me say on that morning, because it was 4-5 kanje. Ngilele ngibheke phezulu kanje, and then I heard uNkulunkulu wavele wangivula amehlo spiritual, amehlo kamoya ayevalekile physically, but amehlo kamoya ngilele and I heard one of the spirits from izingane engangilele nazo. Imagine iy'ngane engangilele nazo, it was the youngest nje, it was 11 years, 11 to 16. So ingane engangilele nazo, in one of the kids, I do not want to lie, I'm not sure where exactly this spirit or this demon came from, which child, but I know ukuthi saqhamuka in one of the kids, because uNkulunkulu mebukisa amehlo ami ukuthi ngabona seliphumile vele selingaphandle. So mangivuka emehlweni akamoya, I see lelifu elimnyama. It was a dark cloud elincane, not elincane kakhulu man, ngizothi elingakanani nje, probably, I'm just trying to make an example, mhlawumbe elingaka, ifu elimnyama elingaka, and obviously ifu-ke it's roundy, li round nje, liyindilinga kanje. So now maliphuma lelifu elimnyama lithi, lasho nje these two words, lathi ngilambile. And I was like, what does this thing actually mean? Lambile. Lathi ngilambile. Laphuma kule ngane, and immediately labona mina ukuthi ngiyalibona leza kumina straight, and malithi liza kumina lifuna ukungena kumina hlasimbe litshela ukuthi mina ngizolondla nginakekele nani ngavele ngakhuleka same time, and I felt ngalizwa lingicindazela lelifu leli lingena kumina, because it was a spirit, a demon lizama ukuthi lizipossesse kumina, and I prayed up until laphuma ngomnyango. And even njengamanje uNkulunkulu is making a lot of sense malithi lela demon and that spirit ngilambile. So that is how ama-demonic come to people, afike ahlale kubona, and ngale nkathi lithi lilambile liyabona ukuthi hayibo ulele manje lo muntu, akangondli manje lo muntu, akanginakekeli manje lo muntu, not knowing ukuthi which kind of demon or spirit was in that child. But I'm probably going to make an example ngedemoni hlasimbe lokubhema. So if liqala noma ulivumela ukuthi lize idemoni lokubhema, lizoqala lingene kuwena. Malisangena kuwena, obviously angeke uzubheme njalo, right? Angeke uzuyenze njalo lento, but uzoyenza kancane. Why? Because lisancane, uyazi nawe ingane mayisancane isakhula ukuthi iphuza ubisi, ayidli kakhulu, ayidli ukudla uqinile, but thazi ungabhema nje kanye esontweni, phinde nange next week uzibhemele nje kanye esontweni, because lisalincane. And I want you to understand ukuthi i-spoiled bread is given everything. Ingane espoilwayo ethi mayithi nje uma wayangqabashiya sukume same time, leyo ngane leyo enikezwa yonke into, ikhanda sure ukuthi njalo ngisho kuthiwa into engasayifuni kangakanani, into engasayidingi kangakanani, iyazi ukuthi vele izeyithola, iyazi ukuthi vele uma uchotshozwaphi, iyazi ukuthi vele. So ikanjani le ndaba? The child knows when to cry. The child knows ukuthi mayikhale kanje uzothinteka kanje, iyazi ukuthi uchotshozwa kanjani mzali, iyazi ukuthi uthintwa kuphi, kupresswa liphi ibutton, so that uzokwazi ukuthi kutholakale lento eyifunayo. Iyazi ukuthi iyazi ingane ukuthi mengakhala ngazibhuquza phansi phambi kwabantu uma have namahloni, uma uzonginikeza lento engiyifunayo, noma sesesitolo lapha yayi-Checkers mengazibhuquza ngabona ibliss, uma vele uzongithatha anginikeza athi mina thul. So uNkulunkulu uzama ukuthi senze si-understand. So people, please come with me, must understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu usebenza kanjani, because ufisa so understand la mademoni ukuthi angena esazingane esamancane, lingena liyingane kuwena, because your soul is like a parent. Your soul njengomzali, because your soul iyona enegunya la emzimbeni wakho, umphefumulo wakho wona onegunya ngaso sonke isikhathi. But if you are going to invite that child, let's continue the example yethu. If you're gonna have a child spoiled brat, le ngane yakho inikeza yonke into, le ngane yakho siyazi ukuthi okay, umana uyabasaba abantu, so uma ngikhale phambi kwabantu ngahayiza nganqabashiya ngayibhuquza ngayithela ngenhlabathi, uma uzonginikeza lento engiyifunayo, ngisho ngacela u20 rand ngineminyaka ewu7 uzonginikeza lento engiyifunayo. So ngaso sonke isikhathi let me do this. Nawe mzali unganaki. Uthathe ngokuthi hawe ma uyakhala, hayi angimnikeze nani. Le ngane iyazi ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa icela into yomunye umuntu. Ngisho kuthiwa ifuna ini yomuntu oseceleni or osesayidini. Yabona enye ingane idla ibhega yayo. Izohayiza nayo la. Sila eclinic njalo. Ibona enye ingane idla ibhega noma idla iKFC. Ma ngifuna leya KFC. Uzokwenza njani umzali because ujwayele ukuyinikeza? Uzobuka abuke lo yamama. Athi hawu Nkosi yami bakithi ngiyacela nimnikeze. Because the parent hasn't taught their own child a discipline. Akayifundisanga ukuthi lalela into yomuntu akusiyona yakho. When you're not gonna get everything oyifunayo ngaso sonke isikhathi ngesikhathi sakho futhi. When you're gonna get what you need ngesikhathi esiright esifanelekile sokuthi uyithole not leyana akusiyona yakho. But i-spoiled brat sinikezwa yonke into. I-spoiled brat siyazi ukuthi mesakhalela nanoma yini, ngisho kuthiwa iphethe ubani, ngisho kuthiwa kwenzakalani, sizoyithola. Siyazi ukuthi siyazi ukuthi kumele sithini kumzali wazo. Siyazi ukuthi kumele sikhale kanjani if kusayingane encane. So ikhala ingane uyijwayeze ukuthi mewakhala kanje ngiyakunikeza ukuthi. Ikhala ingane uyijwayeze ukuthi uyayinikeza. Mind you, ingane ayigcini ngokuba ingane. Iyakhula. And the more ikhula, the more realize ukuthi ma weak kanje. Iqhubeka isebenzise more and more plans. Because mase ikhula ngeke sakhala manje. Isizocela ngandlela thizeni. Isizoqamba amanga ngandlela thizeni. Ithi manje ngiyidinga Nkosi yami le mali yazi esikoleni kuthiwa kuyaswenkwa. Esikoleni kuthiwa kumele sikhokhe imali kanje izoqamba amanga ifune indlela yokuthi uyinikeze lento oyifunayo. Ngisho ngabiza ukuthi iqamba amanga angakanani. But izodinga ukuthi uyinikeze leyo nto eyifunayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ikhule. You are spoiling your child angithi. You are spoiling it. Iyakhula. And guess what? Mayisina 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Lalela ke mase sina 21 ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Angeke isakucela. Isizokutshela. Number 1 isizokutshela. Number 2 isizoyithathela. Angeke isakucela ukuthi ngicela ukuthatha 200 comments zakho isizozithathela. And then uzothi usiyibuza ukuthi hawu wathatha imali yami kanje ithi hawu ma kanti hawu ma awukahle. Iyazi vele ukuthi ngeke uzuyenze lutho. Iyazi vele ukuthi ngeke uzuyishaye. Iyazi vele ukuthi because vele manje amathamba siyaqina njengamanje. Isiyoma manje siyakhohlaza. Asafani nengane ethi ugotsha usemanza ngithi because mewaba uzama ukugoba usuyawuphula, usuyawubulala, usuyaqeda ngawo. So njengoba isindala ke njengamanje ayisadinga ukuthi kucele, isiyazithathela, isiyazenzela. Mayithanda singaya komakhelwane ifika ithi sacela ngingiboleke u100 rand uma uthe sacela ngimbolekele u100 rand. And then mase sibolekile lo ya100 rand ubani uzodinga ukuthi awukhokhe? Uwena futhi because uyijwayezile ingane yakho ukuthi ithola yonke into oyifunayo futhi wena ulula kuyona, wena uyinikeza yonke into ngisho kuthiwa into ebucayi kangakanani uyayinikeza. And ingane yakho uvele uyithande kakhulu uze uyikhonze uze usarende kuyona. Ungazi uye ngisho komashonisa mayithe ifuna into ekule 1000 ungenali 1000 uye komashonisa because ufunela lengane yakho because uyijwayezile vele ukuyinikeza yonke into. You have spoiled the child to an extent la khona izobe ingasakwazi ukubambeka, izobe ingasakwazi ukubekezeleleka, ingabe isakwazi ukuvimbeka kodwa isizomdinge ukuthi inikeze yonke into eyifunayo. And uzohamba ukhathale. But ekhathaleni kwakho akusasizi lutho. Ngoba usuyijwayezile. Ngoba ngeke isakucela isizozithathela. Uthuthu athi umakhelwane hawu maki yazi kunemali lana ongayikhokha uxaka ukuthi imali esanda kwenzani. Athi hayibo wafika phela umfana lana waboleka u100 rand wathi wena uboleka u100 rand kanje uthi angikaze. Mali khokho bale mali. Njobe sekutshela umakhelwane ukutshelela ukuthi khokho ba, ukutshelela ukuthi khokho wena mzali. Because ijwayezile ingane yakho ngithi. Wena buyicelela lapha mayifuna izinto. Mose ungasayicelela izeyicelela yona. Abanye baze baphatheke kabi if ingane zabo zincishwa. Sola ukuthi ingane iyona ezoya kucela lapha kamakhelwane. Ebese umakhelwane encisha ngoba uyazi ukuthi lengane vele izoyisebenzisa wrong le mali. Ebese ethi ngabe ngakwenzani. Because whatever that is happening to your child is definitely coming back to you straight. Yonke into eyenzeke enganeni yakho kufana nokuthi iyenzeka kuwena uqobo. If they treat bad ingane yakho, if beshaya ingane yakho bafana nokuthi bashaya wena, if bebulala ingane yakho bafana nokuthi basuse isicu sakho. Because akekho umzali ongayizwa imhelo if ingane yakhe mhlawumbe ishawa la ikhona because uzizwa yena izinhlungu. Mayisifa futhi la ifa khona uyeza ukuthi no man, khona isicu sami esisukile la kimi njengamanje. Ingane yami ayisekho emhlabeni. Uyazizwa umzali ngaphakathi. Abanye bathi bezwa ngemthungo, abanye bezwa ngama I don't know. Kuningi. So let's spoil spirit lesiyana. Mase sikhulile sesizindala. Izenzela umathanda. Nayo ke ingane ke. Let's come back to terms to izinto ezibalekile esemqoqo. Yaxolisa. Nale demon lokubhema. Lingene kuwena usamncane mfana, usana 12. Bethi ayazizamini. Awuzwe kancane. Uyizwe nawe le nto lena. Abese usuyizwile le nto lena. Na next week uzohalela ukuthi uyizwe. Na ingane iyalamba phela. Uyizwe futhi na next week uphinde uyizwe. Ngokulamba kwayo lengane le demoni la kuwena emzimbeni wakho, because I want you to picture this as when umphefumulo wakho is like a parent. Umphefumulo wakho wena it's like umzali okwaziyo ukuthi uthi yes noma uthi no enganeni yakhe. But because you have said yes to everything ecelwa ingane yakhe, you have said yes lapho ingane yakhe ithi lambile, you have said yes lapho ingane yakhe ithi langazelela ukuthi ithi khandlekela ukuthi, you have said yes to all that, then izoqhubeka ke ingane yakho ke yondleke, izokhula. Ulivumela idemoni lokubhema lihambe nawe 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. I'm telling you, after 10 years, you're gonna be smoking 3 times a day, 4 times a day, each and every hour, because lengane is grown njengamanje, and njengamanje ayisalawuleki, njengamanje ayisaceli, njengamanje isiyazithathela, isiyazenzela emzimbeni wakho. Mayithi njengamanje umzimba wakho asuke manje siye le container siyohlala khona sibhema insango, that you will definitely do that. Mayithi njengamanje asuke sihambe siyothenga ukuthi sibeke la siphuze, you are definitely going to do that, because you allowed that child to grow. You allowed it for years. Walibela uyinikeza lento eyifunayo, walibela uzondla ngalabo tsholo, walibela uzondla ngokuthi uyinikeze lokho kuphuza, lokho kubhema, yaqhubeka yakhula ingane. And ingane iyathola ukuthi uthintwa ngakephi. Yathola ukuthi okay mangimphathisa ngekhanda uzonginikeza lento engiyifunayo, uphathwe ikhanda uhambe uyobhema, ijabule, okay sayithola iplan. Yabuka futhi ukuthi uchotshezwa ngakephi, ngimenza aqaleke. Meqalekile acindezeleke, agqilazeke, angabe ngisho ne-energy. And then bese sigqilazekile athi ngidinga ugwayi ashone khona. You are still giving that child, you are still giving it. And then mayisikhulile lengane, isibona ukuthi ayitholi into eyifunayo la kuwena, isibona ukuthi ubuye ungabe namali wena ukuthi uyothenga ugwayi, izocela lapha kamakhelwane. Kuzosuka wena your body, because thina we can't see the spirits inside you, we cannot see lela demon eliphakathi kuwena. Thina sibona wena when uyaqhamuka, lisebenzise wena to come and ask. Noma lizisukele lona lisebenzise umzimba wakho to come and ask, ucele kumakhelwane wakho uthi ngiyacela bandla yazi ngiqalekile ngidinga ukuthi ungiphe 10 rand ngifuna ukuyobhema. Avela athi umakhelwane wakho cha ngeke ngize ngikwenze lokho, ngeke ngize ngikunike imali ukuthi uyobhema ugwayi mina. Immediately ingane ibe ngaphansi, ibuye isoli yakho ithi hawu engabe ngakwenzana, ave uhlezi ungincisha njalo wena. Kanti leli demoni lesi spirit lesi kade sicela lento. So wena mzali uyazwela, because lengane vele kade uyinakekela, lengane kade uyondla, lengane kade uyikhulisa. So njengamanje uma isincishwa into eyifunayo, isincisha into eyilangazelelayo, ingane yenza njani? Ibheka wena mzali, ibuke wena ithi mbuku uyangicisha, ebese wena you gonna go straight to makhelwane wakho bese uthi kuye ngabe ngakwenzani, kanti cha akakwenzanga lutho. Uyena ongafuna ukuthi alibele ekwenza ukuthi le ngane le ize ikurule, akafuna ukunikeza leya ngane leyana lento ezokwenza ukuthi ikurule, kanti kodwa wena inkinga yakho uyayivumela le ngane, inkinga yakho uyayikhulisa le ngane, and ekukhuleni kwayo izokuphatha ibe ngaphezulu kwakho. Abanye ithi iyacela ingane kamakhelwane bayinikeze, ahamba umuntu ayoboleka imali kamakhelwane bamnikeze, yes fine, but mase kumele ayikhokhe, it's not so easy, because akulula ukukhokha ngisho isikweletu sakho imbala. How much more ake usufuna ukukhokha isikweletu sengane yakho? Waboleka imali u200 ubolekela ukuthi uyothenga leya rain dance, waboleka imali uyibolekela ukuthi hambe uyothenga i20 yakwayi, kwakuboleka le ngane le wavuma. So manje umuntu mase secela imali yakho usicela kuwena ngqo in your soul. Abanye they don't even remember, abasakhumbula ukukhumbula, because umuntu wayefika ezocela nje imali yokubhema, ezofuna nje imali yatshwala, and umphefumulo wakhe mase sebuyele kuma senses zakhe akasakhumbula ukuthi seke wacela into, because bekucelele la demon liphakathi kuyena, lasebenzisa izindebe zakhe, lasebenzisa amehlo akhe, wasebenzisa igama lakho umntwana wakho ukuthi uma uboleka imali, kanti cha kusiyena umzali lengane ifunela lento yakhe. There is a deep connection between you and that demon, between you and that spirit, just like a deep connection between umzali nengane. So if uhlezi uvumelana nalo, unikeza yonke into elifunayo, uhlezi ulondla, uhlezi unakekela, uhlezi ulenzela yonke into, lizokhula up until a point la khona lingasalawuleki, lizobe selukutshela lithi suka njengamanje uhambe uyoboleka imali, sifuna ukubhema thina, sifuna ukuphuza, liki uyale. Imagine lona etshela wena. uNkulunkulu has given you imali, has given you umsebenzi, and lizokulawula likwenza ukuthi imali yakho lizithathele, imali yakho ehole this week u500 wakho waleli viki likwenze uthathe u400 wonke uhambe uphuza in one night. Liyazithathela manje, liyazithathela imali yakho lizithengele lapha ethaveni, liziphuzele, lizondle lona, because you lacked one thing. Ukudiscipline ukuthi lalela, angikudingi wena la, uyidemon wena. You lacked one thing njengomzali, ukuthi ingane yakho ifundise ukuthi lalela uzothola yonke into oyifunayo, lalela futhi angizobuswa wena, lalela ukuthi lalela. So njengamanje liyawubusa umzimba wakho, njengamanje nje ubusuhamba usuphuza noma ungasathandi, ilona lenzayo, liyazenzela emzimbeni wakho, and the only thing udinga ukuthi uyenze nje wena ukuthi uthobe, ngoba isekho into ongayenza vele. And mele sihlale sazi bantu ukuthi whatever that we allow ukuthi is influence, whatever that we allow ukuthi izinze kithi, whatever that we allow, we will suffer the consequences at the end of the day. Because if ingane yakho uyikhulisa ngendlela ukuthi uyinikeza yonke into, ngendlela ukuthi uyifuna, ngelinye ilanga yabo lengane le iyoshaya ibulale wena, ithi manje ngithe ngifuna 1000 njengamanje, ngithe ngifuna 2000, uthi anginawo mntanami, usumdala usugogo, ikufune leyo mali, ingathatha ngisho isibhamu ikudubule ikubulale. So leli demon olondlayo ehlala la emzimbeni wakho, you will suffer the consequences ngelinye ilanga, ngoba lizothi selifuna ukubhema, likufune ngenkani ukubhema, likufune ngenkani ukubhema, likuphathe lelo khanda, likuphathe lelo khanda uze ufe. Are you going to be happy? Where are you going? Uyapi? Ngale kwethuna. Yazi yapi? Uyala, uyakhona leli demon. Because mase likhulile, lisuke ngaseyona ingane, but suke selilidala, and liyazazi ukuthi lizophelelaphi, liyazazi ukuthi liyakwalasha, liyazazi ukuthi lisihogweni, and because wena you were not serving God, ubungaseve uNkulunkulu ngomphefumulo wakho wonke, ngayo yonke indlela yakho, ngawo wonke amandla akho, ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakho, ngayo yonke ingqondo yakho, ngomphefumulo wakho wonke, nangamandla akho wonke, ubungaseve uNkulunkulu, but you were serving your child, you were giving your child everything, then you are going definitely la ingane yakho iyakhona, because lengane isifana noNkulunkulu wakho. Kahle sekuwena ingane, sekuyena umzali. and makuyiyona umzali ke izokuthatha wena ngane siya nawe esihogweni. Because uvumele ukuba umntwana emzimbeni wakho, uvumele ukuba umntwana lapho kumele khona uthatha i-authority ngempilo yakho, wavumela ukuba umntwana of a certain spirit, of a certain demon la kungama, ebese mase likungamile, it will definitely take over. And when it's taking over, I promise you lizobandala kunawe, mase lidala kunawe lizozenzela. That is why abantu njengamanje bephila impilo enzima, bephila impilo yokuthi imali zabo bayispenda ematwaleni, bazipenda ekubhemeni, bazipenda emfebweni, zipenda kuzo zonke lezi zindawo. And that is when idemon liba ngaphezulu, and mase liba ngaphezulu ilona lizocontrola, mase licontrola uyalali yakhona. Because if umzali ekhaya kuyena omdala, methi umzali njengamanje kiwe enkonzweni, uyena ocontrol ingane uyayithatha emotweni senkonzweni, uyena omdala ngithi. Umzali ekhaya uyena oyitshela ingane siyasuka njengamanje sihamba siyagibela siye town, uyena omdala uyazitshela izingane. So if leli demon kade lincane lingena kuwena, walivumela, walondla, walinakekela, lizogcina selingaphezulu kwakho, and mase lingaphezulu kwakho ilona lizokutshela likuthathe lithi all right siya nawe esihogweni. Wena usuyingane njengamanje, I'm telling you, you have the authority over your body, you have the authority over yourself, you have the authority over your soul, you have the authority over this spirit, you have the authority over this demon, you have the authority over everything yenzakala empilweni yakho, and you are the one responsible for it. And leli demon kuzomela ukuthi ulixoshe manje lisalincane. If kusenzeka ukuthi kuphela usuku ungabhemanga, fight ukuthi kuphela isonto, pray ukuthi kuphela isonto, fast ukuthi kuphela isonto, lingaze lakhula, ngoba ngeke salawuleka. Amanye awina when kuyidemon lokufeba, liwina ngenkanuko uthi ungaze ngamkhumbula usibani bani. Ilona isuke selinokha njengamanje ngaleso sikhathi. Makuyidemoni idemon lomntshontsha, lizonokha ngendlala ukuthi ukudla usheshe ukuqede. Mase sengasekho ukudla ucabanga ukuthi yazi ngiyakudinga ukudla ngilambile, bese uyontshontsha, untshontshe kamakhelwane. Ngoba uyazi vele ukuthi akukhiwa lapha yana ubantshontshela uhambe uyodayisa le nto yabo, bese uyahamba uyothola leyo mali bese uyadla. Kuningi man amademon abenzayo kubantu, kuningi abalahlekisa ngakho kubantu. Not just idemon leli lokubhema, but nedemon laqamba amanga. Lilibele litshaleke enhlizweni yakho, ulibele uqamba amanga, ulibele ulondla. Khona abantu asebephila ngawo amanga njengamanje, awungaphela usuke ngawuqamba ngamanga, kuyidemoni lokho. Khona abantu abaphila ngokuxokozela, uphika ngokulwa, uhleze ediniwe, idemoni lihlala kuwena. Lihlezi lifuna indlela ukuthi lingenza njani ukuze ungabi nakho ukuthula, lingenza njani ukuze ungajabuli. Lenze ukuthi ingane yakho ikuphoke, lenze ukuthi ingane yakho ithathe ifoni yakho ifake emanzini, lenze ukuthi whatever yenzeke empilweni yakho so that you will be angry, bese liyavuka and liyadla ngalokho. Liyadla mase usuthetha, liyadla mase usuthuka inhlamba, liyadla nga whatever yenzayo. Demon lokuhleba lizokwenza ukuthi ubhoreke. Moyihlalele lapha khakini, ubhoreke kakhulu. Ngaze ngabhoreka, ake ngiyobona usibani bani. Manifika lapha kosibani bani ngizokhuluma ngamagama abantu. Mase ngikhuluma ngamagama abantu liyadla lona. Ilona likuphushayo, liyakuphusha and liyazithathela, liyazenzela. And mase selindala, selikhulu lingaphezulu kwakho, uyohlala emzini yabantu kuze kushona ilanga. Kunabantu abahlala emzini yabantu, uthola ukuthi uzobona lo makhelwane adlulela komunye, adlulela komunye, ahlebe the same thing nalo wakhulume nalo kanjalo because lento le ibhizi yadla isingaphezulu isizothatha over. And ukuthatha kwayo over, it means danger for you. Ukuthatha kwayo over means a problem to you, because that is when kuzodetermineka ukuthi where are you going ngale kwethuna. That is when kuzodetermineka ukuthi uzo end up kuphi kumhla wokuphela. So all these demons are taking over. That is why uNkulunkulu ebefisa us understand namhlanje ukuthi lifana nengane eyi-spoiled bread. Leyo libe linakekela. Ulibele uthi hayi ingane Nkosi yami mnikeni, Nkosi yami ufuna idanono esithathu mnikeni, it's okay, it's just a child. Uqalekile ayi othi ngibheme khona ezophela ikhanda. Hawu animnikeni akufunayo Jehova khona ezothula Nkosi yami, hawu bakithi. Kanti ila uyona khona, kanti ila uyilahla khona ngempela. Njengamanje I want you to introspect your life. I want you to look deep within you. Yini le ngaka uyenzayo? yini lengaka osusigcila sayo, whether it is umsebenzi, whether it is ukulandela ukuthanda imali, whether it is ukuphuza, ukubhema, ukufeba, amanga, umona, ukuthakatha, ukuxokozela, ukuxabana, zonke lezi zinto, ukuthanda ukudla, ukuthanda izinto, zonke lezi zinto are just spirits and demons that are taking over in your bodies. Because amademoni ngacabanga ukuthi wabona edlikiza nani kusuke sekwenye level leyo, so sekuyistandard esi-high kakhulu. But khona leli lincane lihlala kuwena ongalinakile, elibele likufakela i-stress, ustress ukuthi mina ngisebenze nani libe likufakela whatever, and linjalo ligcine lingahlali lodwa emzimbeni wakho, libiza namanye futhi angaphezulu. So these things you can fight them, these things you need to pray for them, these things you need to ask the Lord ukuthi akusize nawe uzidiscipline and have a backbone of saying no. Lithi sambe sophuza nami uthi cha. And I promise you, if you keep on saying no to the demon ehlala kuwena, yazi ligcina lenze njani? Lihamba lebona ukuthi angidli phela la. If kuzoqhamuka ingane mhlawumbe yesihlobo sakho esihluphayo, to have ehlupha have eyisela, afike ahlalela ekhaya, vele ifihle yonke into eyimali, ingabonakali nakancane. Uzobheka, mhlawumbe nimshiyele abheke, uyobhenqulula abone angatholi lutho engayintshontsha, uzoza hambe. Because ayikho into angayintshontsha, akadle ngalutho la, because uthanda ukuntshontsha. So leli demon elihlala kuwena, malandleka lithola into elifunayo lizohlala kamnandi litanasi. But if lingayitholi, have a backbone of saying no, have a sense of saying cha. Ngaso sonke isikhathi lizothutha, lizohamba because alidli. Ayekho umuntu ongahlala la engadli khona. Because you need food to survive. If you do not eat, you cannot survive. Lizohamba lihambe lize liphume emzimbeni wakho, liyofuna umzimba la lizokwazi ukuthi lisurvive khona. Lizohamba lize liphume liyofuna indawo la lingakwazi ukuthi lithole lento elifunayo, because lidla ngani, lidla ngalo ngitshontshe likuthanda, lidla ngani, lidla ngokubhema likuthandayo, because umzimba wakho, it is just allowing it to do into eliyithandayo. But if you disallow it, usho ukuthi this is my body, this is the temple of the Holy Spirit, la ngabe kuNkulunkulu ngumphefumulo, ngihlalela ukuthi ngenze intando kaNkulunkulu la kulo mzimba lona, angeke ngize ngivumele any spirit ukuthi lithathe indawo. That is when uzokwazi ukuthi uxoshe, that is when uzokwazi ukuthi ubuse umzimba wakho, and that is when uzokwazi ukuthi uzithole khona uzofumana umbuso wezulu. So ikanjalo indaba imali nombuso wezulu kukuwena ukuthi yini oyigcina emzimbeni wakho, yini oyixoshayo futhi. It's your responsibility to make sure that your house is clean. It's clean of all dirtiness, yama spirit. It's clean of all dirtiness, yama demon. It is your responsibility as a person to ensure that yonke into ihamba ngendlela. It's a responsibility of umzali to ensure ukuthi izingane zakho uzifundise respect, uzifundise discipline, uzifundise ukuthi no mntanami lalela ngisho ngakhala, uzibhuquze ngizokushaya futhi. Ngizokushaya phambi kwabo abantu anginendaba. Ukuthi uzokhala uyibhuquze phambi kwabantu uyitshela uzokunika into ekufunayo, ngizohodula khona lapho. Sebengamanye bathi nginonya. It's your responsibility to ensure ukuthi leli demoni leli uyalixosha emzimbeni wakho. Ufast, uzile ukudla, ulixoshe ngandlela zonke nxa zonke. Sebengazathi abantu owazi wazaca, awazi wayihlukumeza emzimbeni, kanti yini inkinga yakho ulwana lento le. Kade yahlala vele kuwena, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho, uNkulunkulu uyakubona lokho. That is why esho lamazwi namhlanje ukuthi khipha leyo nto, khipha lento, khipha lobumnyama, khipha leli demoni ngoba you will suffer. You are going la liyakhona ngale kwethuna, you are going la liyakhona kwalasha esihogweni ngoba vele isihogo sibekelwe lona, vele isihogo sibekelwe bona ukuthi bashe. But if uvumelana nalo, wenza i-reunion nalo, then you are going definitely la liyakhona nalo ngoba lizokhula likhule bese liyithathela. And unfortunately njengamanje sesiphila esikhathini esibi la khona amademoni asevele angene, lingenele kuwena emzimbeni wakho umdala. Asadinga ukuthi libe likhulisa kancane kancane because abantu they are so weak. Amademoni they just trap people's souls ngezinto ezikhona la emhlabeni, whether items, oma-wig, ama-makeup, izinto zokugqoka ezigcotshwe zafakwa ama-spells esitha, senzela ukuthi if uyigqoka nje lento immediately umphefumulo wakho uthumbeke, uyohlala le emkhathini, uyohlala le phansi kwamanzi, uyohlala le kwi-web noma ikephi la uboshelwe khona, and then mase usuthunjile umzimba wakho bese liza straight idemoni. But if wazana noNkulunkulu, wazana noKristu, wazi ukuthi ungubani, wazi ukuthi udalelweni, wazi ukuthi ubekelwe la emhlabeni, uzokwazi ukubusa umzimba wakho and uzofaka isivikelo esikanje ukuthi kungangeni lutho la ngaphezulu kwakho elidimoni elizozithathela. Ngokwenzani? Ngokwenza izenzo zokulunga. Ngokwenzani? Ngokugcina imiyalelo kaNkulunkulu. Ngokwenzani? Ngokuzingcwelisa ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngoba uma ungcwele, that is when izingelosi zikuwengama, zikuvikela, ziblock away each and every demon elizama ukuzomanifesta lingene la emzimbeni wakho, because there is a lot of manifestations of demons. Ikhona ivideo futhi lana ibhaliwe ukuthi the manifestations of demons, whereby the Lord was specifying ukuthi nanka amademoni engena, nanka entshontsha, nanka edlwengula abantu, nanka ethatha indawo, nanka engena emagumbini abantu ngenkani. So it's like stealing. Njengamanje amademoni are busy stealing imizimba yabantu, but kukuwena ukuthi indlu yakho uyayivikela yini ukuze kungantshontsha kuwo. Kukuwena ukuthi indlu yakho uyayikhiya yini ukuze kungangenwa kuyo, ukuze kugqekezwe nangandlela zonke. Kukuwena ukuthi uyifaka amabhedla kathi enough kangakanani by the Holy Spirit, by applying izwi kaNkulunkulu, by ukuligcina, by ukwenza intando kaNkulunkulu, by ukuhlala ebukhoneni baNkulunkulu. Because even ngisho ngathi idemoni lizama ukuthi ligqekeze whatever lingayigqekeza, uma lifica uphakathi ebese uyalishaya, fica isela lithi liyazama ukugqekeza lingene emzini wakho, ufike wena ulishaye mhlawumbe ngani whatever ongashaya ngayo, whether ushaya ngenduku, ushaya ngani noma ingane, libaleke lihambe. So it's up to you to stay in your body and grow spiritually. Uwazi umphefumulo wakho, uzazi ukuthi ngubani. Ekukhuleni kwakho, that is when you will understand ukuthi njengamanje ngisho kuthiwa ngena ngendlovu, yangena amasela la endlini ngikhona la ngaphakathi ngilindile, faka ubush. Umuthi nje kece lapha edolweni uzobaleka eqhuka. Don't kill them. Just nje uNkulunkulu is the one that is going to kill. uNkulunkulu is the one that is going to destroy. It is not up to your hand. It is up to the Lord. When you just need to fight, you just need to be ready. So you need to awaken your soul, awaken yourself. The only way you can awaken your soul is by knowing Christ, by ukufunda iBhayibheli lakho, by ukwenza intando kaNkulunkulu, by ukulalela, by obey. Because by the start of this video, the only way ukuthi sibe away from uNkulunkulu it is by disobedience. Ukungalaleli, ukungamuzwa, ukuhlala esonweni, ngoba isono sikwenza ukuthi ungabukeki emehlweni kaNkulunkulu, sikwenza ube nqunu, sikwenza unyanyeke, sikwenza unengeke. But if ungahleli esonweni, uhleli kuphi? Uhleli ebungcweleni, uhleli ebukhoneni baNkulunkulu, uhleli enkazimulweni yababa, uhlala ekhaya esibeni. And ngaso sonke isikhathi if uhleli lapho ebungcweleni baNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu uzokuvikela, uzokwengama, because vele sihlele emhlabeni ogcwele isono, sihlele emhlabeni ogcwele amademoni. Remember uSathane ecast away eza la emhlabeni, akahambanga yedwa, ahamba nengxenye yasezulwini le kwakuyizingelosi, le asephenduka amademoni njengamanje azithathela afuna ukuzenzela la emhlabeni. And unfortunately enough uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi abantu bahlezi bekhumbula ukuthi umoya wakhe uyahamba uyaphela la emhlabeni. The more abantu bengamlaleli uNkulunkulu uyahamba. Because la ungalalelwa khona, you do not stay. Even in marriages, athi sabathe unkosikazi uyakhuluma nendoda yakhe ingafuni ukumlalela, ifuna ukushaya umthetho, ifuna ukuba ukhanda lemtshelo kwayo, izohamba hamba unkosikazi acikeke, athi mina shuthi la ekhaya awukho umsebenzi wabo, mina ngeke ngikwazi ukubeka uvo, mina ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza lutho. Engaze athathe impahla zakhe athuthe ahambe, because akalaleleki yena. Yonke into ayishayo nje yena nje iyaxhashaza esinoma kanjani, engathutha ahambe ashiye kanjalo. Nguthisha esikoleni mebona ukuthi ingane azimlaleli azimuzwa, engaze akudube lelo class athi mina ngiyacela ningabe nisangifaka lela class ngi-right lona, because akalalelwa. So umoya kaNkulunkulu lo uzama ukukhuluma nawe through uNembeza, because abantu abaningi babeza ngoNembeza. Lo uzama ukukhuluma nawe manje, uzama ukukusiza njengamanje. Into ekumele uyenze ukuthi ulalele nje kuphela, ngoba ungawulaleli iyabaleka. It's moving away, it's moving away, and the more move away uNkulunkulu for a period of time, for a limited time, uzodedela amademoni ukuthi asebenze, amdedele uSathane ukuthi enza yonke into. Only those abazoba nomoya kaNkulunkulu, abangcwele, uNkulunkulu angikwazi ukuthi abavikele. Laba abawugcina umoya kaNkulunkulu ngabo individually, ilaba abazokwazi ukuthi basurvive lesikhathi sokugcina esisikusona njengamanje. Ibona kuphela abazosurvive, not other people, not the other way around, but only with umoya kaNkulunkulu, only with inkazimulo yaNkulunkulu, only by knowing the truth, only by living the truth, only by doing whatever ethandwa uNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi. So I hope people can understand ukuthi amademoni afana kanjani nezingane ezispoilwayo. afana kanjani ney'ngane ey'nikwa yonke into. Konke kulele kuwena. Because umzimba wakho uyigumbi. It is a house. La kungangena khona noma yini. Yabo njengoba sibona imizi nje. Imizi imkhulu ingaka. We do not see ukuthi khona abantu abangaka ngaphakathi. Ngayitshela ukuthi lapha ingane yakho iyodwa kanti mhlawumbe khona omunye ovakashile ukhazini wakho awumboni because ungaphakathi endlini. So umzimba wakho ufana nendlu, but wona ubuswa imimoya, la kungena imimoya eminingi. That is why endleleni ungeke ukwazi ukubona umuntu ukuthi okay, lo unomoya ophuza, lo unomoya ubhema, lo unomoya, unless if umbone ebhema ke, unless if umbone ephuza ke, unless if umbone eqamba amanga, unless if umbone efeba, uyabona ukuthi okay la engathi unemoya u3 la, hayi nemoya u8 la, hayi definitely u20 la. Konke kulele kuwena. Konke kulele ezandleni zakho. Konke kulele kulangazeleni kwakho. Ngoba nanku umbuso wezulu ususondele. uJesu uyabuya lapha emhlabeni. Uzolanda ibandla lakhe. And ufuna ukufica ungcwele. Ufuna ukufica umphethelela linene lizenzo zokulunga. Ufuna ukufica ungabambelele emademonini, ungabambisene nawo. Ngoba kufica ubambisene nawo uyala eyakhona lawo mademoni lawo. Khoza ayibhujisweni. Idemoni lokuphuza liya esihlokweni, elokubhema lesihlokweni, elemfebo lesihlokweni. Read incwadi abaseGalatia izithelo zenyama, Galatia 5, qala lapha kuverse 17. Please read all those izithelo zenyama. And uzasho egcineni ukuthi abenza okunje abasoze bawubona umbuso wezulu. Abanalo ifa embusweni wezulu. So ivangeli nje elibalekile njengamanje. Ivangeli lombuso wezulu ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Phendukani bantu. Nizisize nizisingathi nenze intando yababa ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. Khona ezosindisa imphefumulweni, khona ezoniphulukisa. Khona nizohlala ebukholeni bakhe ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngoba uyanilangazelela, uyanithanda. That is why ezama ukuthi aritshe to each and every level enga-understanda ngayo. Because uyabona futhi ukuthi understand izinto ey'ningi. That is why ezama ukuyichaza even using examples ngezinto enizaziyo, enizibonayo, eniseke mhlampe abaningi bazi-experience per se. So by using all those examples, the Lord just wants you to understand ukuthi ukuthanda kangakanani. The Lord wants you to understand ukuthi ukulangazelela kangakanani. The Lord wants you to understand ukuthi ukubiza kangakanani. Be called. Because isikhathi sokubizwa sizohamba siphele. God is still taking applications. But sonke siyazi ukuthi makuthatha ama-applications, there's an opening date and there's a closing date. And awufuni ukuzisola ngelinye ilanga isekuvaliwe. Awufuni ukuzisola ngelinye ilanga usungale kwethuna usurealize ukuthi kanti nganginamandla mangaka, kanti ngangingayibusa lento, kanti ngangenza kangcono kangaka. Awufuni ukuzisola. And uNkulunkulu akafuni futhi naye ukuthi kube njalo. That is why kubiza. Ezama ukuthi understand, ezama ukuthi uqonde, ezama ukuthi ufinyelele kwi-understanding ezokwazi ukuthi ikusize, ikuphulukise wena muntu, wena muni, wena shoni. uJehova uNkulunkulu ngiyanilangazelela kakhulu. Phendukani, namukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi. Niphenduke, nisindiswe, nibhabhadiswe, nenze intando kaBaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. And read your Bible. Ezilisa neqiniso, read it. Uzile ukudla, because ukuzila ukudla is the easiest way ukunqoba imimoya. Ngoba njengamanje le moya esibhekene nayo emhlabeni akuyona le moya ongayinqoba nje ngokuthi ukhuleke kuphela, but idinga ukukhuleka nokuzila ukudla okuyiko. So it's your responsibility to do so. It's your responsibility to take care of your house. Angeke umuntu wakangcobo abe responsible ukuklina umuzi wakashangazi. Never. But wakashangazi u-responsible ukuklina wakashangazi. Wakangcobo u-responsible ukuklina wakangcobo. Mina ngi-responsible ukuklina lo mzimba lo. Nawe responsible ukuklina wakho. Nomunye responsible ukuklina wakhe. Because angazi ukuthi ungcwele kangakanani. Only you knows. Only you knows ukuthi how many demons are inside you. Only you knows ukuthi yini ekuhlulayo. Only you knows ukuthi yini ekususa ebukhoneni baNkulunkulu. Only you know and understand ukuthi imaphi amademoni akuhlaselayo ahlezi eseduze kwakho. So if you think umfundisi wakho is the one responsible to clean all the demons, then you are playing. because umfundisi wakho won't understand. Yena uzozitshela ukuthi uhlushwa idemoni lokudlikiza kuphela. Uzodila nalo lodwa kanti akusilona lodwa. Khona namanye. Only you understand, and only you can fight this thing off, and only you can say no and continue to say no and constantly say no. Ngokusho kwakho ukuthi cha ngithi cha. That is when umoya kaNkulunkulu uzohlala kuwena. That is when umoya kaNkulunkulu uzokusiza, because ayikho into okwazi ukuzenzela ngokwakho, but uyawudinga umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi ukusize kuyona yonke into. So if you say no, uphinde futhi uthi cha, ithi yalo lento uthi cha, umoya kaNkulunkulu will help you. Ayixoshe lento. Nebona ukuthi nawe langazela kangakanani, awusayifuni kangakanani. Allow the Holy Spirit to help you. Allow the Lord to be with you. Allow everything to work ngendlela ezoba usizo kuwena kusasa. Lawa amazwi akona nje amazwi ukuthi dlana masicozelana. Cha. But amazwi eqiniso, amazwi omphefumulo wakho. uNkulunkulu knows how much hungry you are for him. He knows how much hungry you are for the truth. That is why zamqiniso lakho ukuthi alifinyelelise kuwena, usaphila, usanethuba, usanethemba, usangaphenduka, usangayenza intando kaNkulunkulu, usanethuba embusweni wezulu. So uyabuya umbuso wezulu, uyabuya uJesu. Makakufice ungcwele yezwa, makakufice uclean, makakufice ungenasono. Zivume every day, zisindise every day, every day. uJehova anibusise kakhulu. Ulihle ithemba lo wakwaMzobe. Ezinye izinkundla zokuxhumana uFacebook, TikTok no Instagram. Lapha kuFacebook khona nembhalo in Zulu for others abafisa ukunderstand. It's just plain Lihle Ithemba Mzobe. And then on TikTok it's Lihle Ithemba, Instagram Lihle Ithemba Wendy Mzobe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, Nkosi nje ibe nani, inisize, niziphulukise, bese ke nenza intando kaNkulunkulu nisaphila. Ningakhohlwa ke uNkulunkulu uyasizonda isono, uyakuthanda ubulungiswa nobungcwele. Nkosi nibusise. Amen.